Movement continued, big and small. Here are more ways to move your eye around a painting and helping your focal point stand out. Keep in mind that there are many ways of creating these compositions, and your only limitation is your imagination. So that's pretty limitless. Do a sketch first. That's your biggest help of all. Here are some examples. On your top left, you have a very large area that covers more than half of your surface and a small piece breaking away. In the middle, you have a large dark at the top, and then there's a second piece that more or less moves away. On the top right, you have almost like a bridge. So you have two large pieces that are attached or leading the eye to think that they're attached, and then a small piece that breaks away. Notice how all the large shapes are there. The bottom left is a large area of darks. This time it only covers 1/3 of the whole area, and then a small piece breaking away. In the middle, something similar, but a different kind of shape with a piece of the dark area breaking away with the focal point. And then you have irregular shapes on the right, really large irregular shapes, and then a piece of the dark irregular shape along with the focal point. So these are all ideas that you can work with and create more movement. Here's an idea that's similar. You have a very large textured surface, and then in one area, like a window shape, where you have something different, your focal point. Here you have the tops of domes of churches, and then the moon, which is your focal point. Here's a large building with a window that you focused on. So that window is a different color. That's the focal point. But within that window, there's colors that are from the background as well. So that blends it in. So parts of the background are in the focal point. Here's a large area, mostly coming from the bottom, a large area from the top, and then in the middle you have smaller shapes. So these are all ways you can create movement. Here's your assignment. Pick one of the compositional formats and create a painting or drawing, etc. Just like the other ones. You can work realistically or abstractly. If you have time, try them all. The more you practice, the better you'll get. We'll see you in the next section.